Hello everyone, I'm SHIVAM THAKUR. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel SHIVANSH TECH guys. I hope you all are doing well practice in your AutoCAD learning sessions. And in our previous tutorial we have understand the array command in AutoCAD, and now in this tutorial we are gonna practice this drawing. We will make this drawing. Alright guys, first of all let's understand this drawing. What is this? First of all, for drawing this drawing, we just need to draw a rectangle of 5 by 3. 5 mm would be the length and 3 mm would be the width. And we need to draw a circle here of 0.833 dia, and then we will edit this line. Need to draw a circle here, here and here of 0.25 mm. Just connected the lines and use trim command. Alright guys, let's start. Draw a rectangle firstly. At the starting point, enter the value 5 by 3. The circle of 5 by 3 has been drawn here. We need to draw a circle here of 0.25 by. Need to draw a circle here of 0.5 by. Means 0.25 radius. Just click here, take this move. From the distance from here to here is 0.75. You can calculate by adding this and this here. 0.75 radius click here. Nice. 1.25 from the downward side. Select this one. 1.25 and then space. Let's draw one more circle here. That will be 1 mm upward from this line, and the center point would be 1.25. Draw a line. Draw a circle of 0.75. Just I'm gonna draw here 0.375. You can draw anywhere. I will place it at the right place. So just I need to follow this. Calculate the distance from this line to this line. The distance is 0.375 plus 0.375. 375 plus 37 is 2.75 minus 5. 2.25 on this side, left hand side from the other side. Select the line. Draw it, make it tangent from here. Draw one more circle of 5 radius. This circle is of 5 radius, but this is of 5 dia. The misprint in the circle of 0.5. Make this 0.35, 375 this side and 375 upward side. Move. Upward side. Select the line command. This is of I think 0.5 radius. The cycle we need to change here. The cycle would be at the same plane, but that would be of 0.5 radius. I just draw this and delete this circle and need to trim this remaining part. We will use trim command later. That's completed by doing fast. Just draw this circle of dia 0.65. Just draw a circle here. Just select circle command for dia 0.625. 0.625. We have dia 0.625. Now delete it. Select circle. Dia 0.625 is to here. We need to place it from here to here. Let's calculate the distance. 0.375 plus 0.875 plus 1 minus 3. 0.75 downward from the. Select this, move 0.75 downward. Just make it to 0.1 mm this side. Need to calculate this distance. .375 plus 0.875 plus minus 3. I just draw this. Yeah, that's good. So guys, just draw a circle of dia 0.25. Dia would be of 0.25. Where we need to draw this? We need to place this at this at this plane. Actually, I am doing this one. This is not something like this. Draw a circle of your .25. Just place it, move downward. Let's make it 0.833 here. Let's select this and make this 5 by using the array command. Just select this array, rectangular array, columns. I need 5 columns, so just click on column, enter 5, and let's get it to 0.833. Just click on rows. I need 1 row. Just place it here. So guys, as you can see, all the drawing has been covered. Just make it done. Select the trim command. Trim command, just select. Just make it done. Let's make it done by using trim command. Let's give the dimension to this circle. Select the diameter from 0.25. Select the radius of the this circle. Again select the radius, select the diameter 0.60, 0.625, here it is 0.63. Select this circle 0.75, this circle is of 0.50. So guys, these are the dimensions that we can draw here. Just get the linear dimension, just select from this side, just from this side, you can see this is of 5 mm. You can see from 3 mm. So guys, I hope you have understood this. Guys, all the dimensions are done. You can check the distance from here, as it is from this line to this much 2.83 as showing in drawing. हेलो, हाँ जी भैया, डायलिसिस की साइड। तुम कहाँ से आओगे? वेयर हाउस पे? हाँ तो वेयर हाउस से उठा के वहीं दे देना, वहाँ पास में चीज़ है। हाँ, चौथी गली, जब अंदर से घुसते हैं ना रोड पे, चौथी गली। यार अभी तो पता नहीं, कोई नहीं है शायद अभी तो। देखो एक बार, हाँ अभी है कोई, देखो जाके एक बार चेक करो, कोई होगा, मेरी बात करना उससे। Well done. So guys, it's done. All the dimensions have been done here, we can see. So guys, I hope you understand how to make this drawing, simple drawing we have drawn here. So guys, if you have any problem in understanding this, you can comment on the comment section. You can ask your problem in the comment section. And if you understand the video, like the video, please like and share the video, and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting the notifications of new upcoming videos.